In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a crank position sensor in a Toyota Corolla with a 1.8 liter located in the back side of the block right above the oil filter housing. So you can see the negative cable on this has a different terminal end. The factory one would be a 10 millimeter. It actually would probably look a lot like the positive. It's a 10 millimeter socket or wrench. And this is aftermarket, so it's like they call it universal. And usually it's a 1/2 inch or a 13 millimeter. And I've got a 13 here, and I'm going to loosen that negative nut on the terminal end. Now you can take a screwdriver and spread that just a little bit. It's usually a flathead screwdriver. You just want to open it up just by doing that. See how easy that went? Now you can pull it right off. Set it aside. So this is the back side of the block, and I'm in the fender well, the passenger side front wheel. And I can bring my hand right in, nice in the open, and work. So I'm going to take this harness right off that crank position sensor by pushing down on this tab, squeezing, and pulling the harness out. Now we're going to set that aside, get it up out of the way. And you can see the mounting bolt right here. That's going to be either a socket or a wrench, and it's going to be 10 millimeter. Let's back that out. Set that aside. Now you're just going to grab onto that crank position sensor. We're going to twist like that and see if we can pull at the same time. Let's rock it back and forth. I'm just going to put a screwdriver in there and see if I can help it back and forth. It just gives it a little bit more freedom to wiggle that. There it goes. Just pull that out. So now we have our new crank position sensor. I put a little bit of oil, fresh oil, on that O-ring just to help it guide in there. Just going to twist it and seat it. So push and twist in. And it looks like it's lined up. Let's get the bolt. Start it by hand. Good news is you can wobble that around till it centers. Let's bottom it out. Then we'll get the torque wrench and we're going to tighten this to factory specs. 10 millimeter socket. I'm going to use a 1/4 inch drive, and it's 7 foot-pounds or 84 inch-pounds. There we go. Let's grab our connector, give it a quick look over, make sure it's not corroded or anything, and then push till you hear the click. Slide that over. I like to move it all the way down so you've got a bit of the lead stud sticking up. And this is now a 13 or 1/2 inch because someone changed it to a universal end. Like I said, factory would be a 10 millimeter. Wrench or socket. Bottom it out. Then I'm going to hold it down here. Probably end up using the box, the open end, and snug it up. Good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.